Welcome in this second round of discussion for second round. Now, uh, I hope you must have solved the demo or say practice question paper which was uploaded on our channel, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle. Some 5 questions we have kept there just to get idea that what will be the structure, how we are going to face this exam. And for that purpose, these 5 questions were placed. You can find out their question number that was not mentioned there because they are not actual question, just dummy question. But when we are solving out this question paper tomorrow, at that time, you'll have these question numbers also. Now, certain important instructions regarding tomorrow's this exam that you have to be present on our blogspot page somewhere around 10:30. You can get there by 11 o'clock sharp. We are starting out our exercise. So already question papers are uploaded there. They are going to get automatic upload, automatic public at 11 o'clock. Now, why I'm using word question papers? Some problem I observed. That problem was that uh, our slides are getting heavier. They are getting bulky on sides, and therefore I divided a question paper into two parts. The set of question, first 50 questions, and set of another 50 questions. So it is comprising of part one and part two. So first 50 questions you have to solve, and then again you have to click on next slide. So you'll get another 50 questions set. So like that, total 100 questions. There is no other change. Number of questions are same. Only there is change in pattern that we are dividing out these two files. So links of these two files will be available on our blogspot. And as you are subscribed for our Savarkar IAS Study Circle page, you'll get that automatic notification that yes, this file is getting on. So around 10:30 onwards, you should be present. Now, part one, you have solved today, whatever the demo paper you have solved, that is same to same in part one. So, Marathi, Hindi, and English. Like that, questions are placed. Sometime, say for example, options are extremely same. At that time, we are not differentiated between Marathi and Hindi. Say for example, names of cities are there, so we have placed names of cities as it is. So question is only different. The Hindi question we use italics in that case. So question is same, and only thing is that we have to get their answers. So answers are same for both the thing. Now this is something for paper one part. In part two, IT questions are included, and then we are not able to translate out that into Hindi and Marathi, and therefore IT questions, they are there. Computer science and IT questions, they are there in English only. So right now, keep in mind, 15 questions will be there. They will not have any translation. So only one language, 15 questions, that is in paper two. Now, another thing you have to keep in mind that sometime I'm not keeping Marathi and Hindi translation. Say, for example, match the column. Only names are there. And match the column question, I have to go by that table. And so size is somewhat bulky. And therefore, the suggestion is that you can read out only that. So the translation is not available. So this is something what I am telling about paper two. I hope you are well prepared for paper one as well as paper two. They are not having any subject wise distinguish, only for making me file size smaller and converted this into paper one and paper two file. So on our blogspot page, you will find 3 links. The first link, that is of question paper part one, second link, that is of question paper part two, and third link, that is of answer key link. Or if it is working, then we are sending out all answer keys. That is the link of Google form to your mobile number. Many of you have not saved out that mobile number. So whatever the number is appearing in our video also, Asra Foundation, and below that we are getting phone number. So please save that phone number into your phone numbers list. So whatever messages are broadcasted from that Asra's mobile, you will get immediately that link. So that answer key link, you have to go through that way. So this is the procedure you are going to follow. Even we are placing out one answer key link in description page also. So on the same video, go through description, you'll find that answer key. So I'm making available everywhere. But keep in mind, if you have not participated in round first, then automatically your answers will not be considered in case of round two. All right. So those who have participated in round one and they are selected in round one, only their answers will be considered. So this is the thing we are going to discuss about this paper one and paper two. I'm revising again that you have to be present on time or before the time. We are making link available at 11 o'clock, but answer key links will be disabled at 11:15. Okay, so 15 minutes we are giving to solve that answer key, solve that your answers into answer key, and therefore 15 minutes additional are there. So by 11:15 your answer key link will get disabled. Keep in mind, when you are solving, you have to submit your answer key before 11:15, because last time some students are having this type of problem that they were not getting submit button at that time because their time exceeded. The reason is that if your timing is exceeded out, then obviously you'll not get that submit button. So be aware. Uh, Keep your one eye on watch. Yeah, at 11:15 your submit button will get disabled. So prior to that, submit out whatever the questions you have solved. So this is the way we are going to conduct. All the best for this second round. I am of the hope that maximum students should get good marks, and for that purpose you have to study, you have to observe that video lectures. uh, any doubt is there, you can ask here. As a previous session, it was of discussion. So same way, if you want to ask some questions, I'm waiting here for still 5 minutes. So you can ask your doubt if you want to ask. Otherwise, we are going to end this session. All right. Uh, so I have idea now. There is no doubt in your mind, and you are well prepared for this examination. So thanks for participating in this examination, uh, which competition. Uh, After these results are declared, you'll get exact idea we are going to meet for those 20 hardworking students, those who are eligible for final round, and what will be the structure of this final round. And we are trying to broadcast this live on Google also, on YouTube also. So get ready for that. Try to get your number into 20. So hard work. Thanks for participating in this live session.